What is up, everybody out there in YouTube land? Welcome back to D's Card Break. And as always, I am D. How are we all doing today, guys? I hope everybody out there is having yourself a good one. I thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. Your support here at this channel is very, very much appreciated. Oh, pardon me. Alright, guys. Sorry my voice is a little hoarse. Surgery was yesterday. It went great. It went real good. The nurses and doctors were very kind and very informative, and they let me know everything that was going to happen before it happened, and a great experience. Right now I'm just very sore, and my stomach's real tight. Obviously they had to make a couple cuts, and that's the way they do it. They made 4 little incisions to get the gallbladder out, so I'm just a little sore and tight, but otherwise doing just fine. So guys, today we have ourselves my biggest unboxing yet. Like, this box is huge. Let me see if I can get all that box in there. Huge box. So let me go ahead and set this thing back over to the side. Find my scissors. There we go. Got my turf and dirt breaking mat. Love my breaking mat. I'm so happy I finally have one. Alright, guys. So I went ham on Blowout Cards. Was having themselves some great deals on a few items, so I couldn't pass it up. Sorry for my voice, guys. Oh, I almost dropped you. There we go. Let's get everything lined back up. Sorry, guys. I'm failing already. Okay, here we go. Wow, a lot of packing peanuts. First and foremost, we have one box 2015 Stars and Stripes. We have 2 box of 2015 Panini Stars and Stripes. So 2 boxes of Stars and Stripes. We have one box 2019 Panini Chronicles. We have one box 2019 Don Ross Optic. And we have one more box of 2019 Don Ross Optic. There we go. So 5 hobby boxes altogether. Super awesome. All these were great deals, great prices. These Panini Stars and Stripes were actually $39.99 a piece for hobby boxes. So I got 2 for just a little under 80 bucks. Yeah, and that should be it for the box. I do believe it is. So that's all I ordered. So guys, I got a lot of content coming your way. I'm definitely looking forward to getting into the Stars and Stripes and Don Ross Optic, because as you guys know, I'm still trying to work on building this set, and I've yet to find an autograph hot box. So hopefully one of those is an autograph hot box. And to be completely honest, as much as I love these things right here, I pull so many Pete Alonsos and Vlads and Tatis, but every time the autograph and or autograph relic are of nobody. So hopefully that luck can change. Oh, I'm still trying to kill stuff. So get all that off to the side. And guys, I got one more package, and we're going to go ahead and get into this. This right here is different from my channel. Very different. This one right here is from Dave and Adams, or DA Card Worlds, however you want to say it. They had theirself a really good deal on 2019 Series 2 silver packs for less than $5 a piece. and most people on eBay are still trying to sell them for about $7 a piece. So I went ahead and scooped up 12 silver packs. So we're going to go ahead and get into those. Really cool checklist. No Pete Alonso, no Vladimir Guerrero Jr., no Tatis, but still you can find Jeff McNeil and Eloy Jimenez and a couple other pretty good rookies. And on top of that, the autograph checklist wasn't too bad neither. Now I know autographs are very hard to pull out of these, but you know, hopefully we could find some color. So let's see what we got. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. 11. Oh, thank goodness. Okay, 12. So 12 silver packs. Here we go. Let's get into these. Let's see what we can find. This shouldn't take too long. I think there's only 4 per pack. Like I said, we're gonna see if we can find some color. Hopefully an autograph. All right, we got some color in the first pack. We're going to start this out with a King Griffey Jr., Beltre, Jonathan Lucroy, and we got a Chris Sale blue that's going to be numbered to 150, so 54 out of 150. All right, so awesome first pack. Got some color in the first one. That's good. Here we go, pack number 2. Starting it out with a George Brett, Ernie Banks, very good, Anthony Rizzo back-to-back on the Cubbies, and Tony Gwynn. How awesome. So a great second pack too. Like I said, I know the odds of hitting an autograph are not all that good. They are some in here, but we're basically, you know, I just wanted to get these because I didn't get to rip a lot of these because they only come with the hobby boxes or jumbo hobby boxes, and I think I only opened up two hobby boxes. So DJ Stewart, King Griffey Jr. again, Beltre again, and oh man, doubled it up on me. So I think there's only 50 of these, so I was hoping to kind of put together the set, which would be really cool. I would love to put the set of these together, but like I said, for under $5 a pack, I could probably go out and get some more. So third pack, fourth pack. So we got a Steven Duger, Roberto Alomar, that's really cool, Daniel Ponce de Leon, and Roberto Clemente for the fourth pack. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright guys, pack number 5. Let's see if number 5 is going to hold a good surprise for us. I would like to see just a little bit more color come out of here. Oh, it looks like we might have a thickie in the back. Alright, Robinson Cano, don't you know? Nolan Arenado. Oh, Kyle Tucker, I want his autograph. And Miles Straw. Okay, Miles Straw gold. It's a Houston Astro gold. 22 out of 50. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Alright, don't look like there's anything in this one, but that's okay. Alright, hey, 3 Astros in a row. You don't get much better than that. Alright. So pack 6, here it goes. We got 6 left. We got a Josh James. We have a Yusei Kikuchi. We have the Cody Bellinger. And we have a Corbin Allen. Kobe Allen. Allard. Sorry, guys. So we got an Allard. He's also in 2015 Stars and Stripes as well. It'd be cool to find his autograph. So pack 7. Still hoping to get an auto. If we can't find an auto, at least maybe one or two more colors would be sweet. So we got the regular Chris Sale. Pack 7 starts out with a Chris Sale. Nick Martini, rookie. Stewart. Oh, I bypassed one. There we go. And a Rowdy Tellez. Alright, so pack 7 was pretty good. Had a couple of rookies in there. Rowdy Tellez can still prove to be pretty good. I don't know anything about Stewart though. So here we go, guys. Pack 8. Alright, here we go. Starting it out with an Alex Bregman. Right behind him, we got a Myles Straw, the Joey Votto, and a Joey Votto. Purple or blue. Out of 75. So I do believe that's the purple. 13 out of 75. Awesome. Alright, come on. Fingers crossed for an auto. We got 4 packs left, guys. So this is pack 9. Sorry, I'm moving real slow. I might have to order me another dozen of these or so. Manny Machado. Luis Uriel. Jacob deGrom, Cy Young Award winner 2 times in a row. And a Chipper Jones. That was a good pack. Good pack. A rookie, a Hall of Famer, and a 2-time Cy Young Award winner. Alright, guys. Pack number 3. Or pack number 3, but pack 10. Might have some color in this one. Yep. Hopefully an auto. So Eloy Jimenez. Very good. Andrew McCutchen. Danny Jansen. And Minnesota Twins black. Stewart. And the black ones are numbered to 199. So 149 out of 199. Not too bad, guys. Alright, guys. Pack number 11. Don't look like there's anything thick in it. Here we go. We got a Touki Toussaint. We got a Frank Thomas. We got a Mariano Rivera and a Clayton Kershaw. Alright, guys, last pack. Here we go. Last pack mojo. Being auto. Like I said, guys, these were all under $5 at Dave and Adams. Really good price in my opinion. Might have to order a couple more, that's for sure. So, okay, nothing thick in this one. So it looks like we did get shut out on the auto. George Brett, Ernie Banks, Anthony Rizzo, and Tony Gwynn. So the same pack as like pack 3 or pack 4. So exact same pack. Alright, guys, so that's what I had in store for you today. This is about how many you get. 4 times 12. There you go. So there's all the base. Go through the colors. I got a good wide range of colors though. I got Stewart black, 149 out of 199. Joey Votto purple, 13 out of 75. I got a Myles Straw gold, 21 out of 50, and I got a Chris Sale blue, 54 out of 150. Alright, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this break. It was something new and different for my channel. I really enjoy the look of the cards here in the silver packs. I do. They're very good looking cards. So, guys, thank you so much for swinging by and supporting this channel. I really hope you enjoyed this. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know how I did, and I will catch you guys at the next break.